How to set up Etsy shop properly. To set up an Etsy shop properly, you must establish a legal seller account. So first of all, gather legal and financial information such as your government issued ID and your social security number or tax ID, and also bank routing and your billing card. Now all you have to do is register your storefront account. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then tap on that search bar, then proceed to type Etsy sale page. Now once you find the official site, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, then proceed to log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on the Get Started option, and then set up your preferences and secure the shop name. And also pay onboarding fee, then configure your first listing. Add the visual media, simply upload 10 crisp and well-lit photos, and also write an item title packed with searchable phrases, and establish an item price that accounts for materials, Etsy fees, and shipping cost. Now you simply have to finalize shop policies and branding, and that is how you can set up Etsy shop properly. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.